How do I find the right keyword for Google Ads and stop wasting money? Tired of Google Ads eating your budget? It's all about smart keywords, not just popular ones. Agencies dig for long tail keywords, those specific phrases customers use when they're ready to buy, like bespoke handcrafted dining tables, London. Don't just bid on furniture. Also, become a negative keyword ninja. Regularly check your search terms report to add irrelevant searches like free or secondhand so your ads don't show up for people who aren't your ideal customer. It's like putting up a no time wasters sign. Why aren't my Google ads converting into customers? Okay, your ads are getting clicks but no sales or leads. The problem often isn't the ad, it could be the landing page. Smart marketers know your landing page has to deliver on the ad's promise. Make sure it's super fast, mobile friendly, and crystal clear. The message from your ad should match the page perfectly. Your call to action needs to be obvious, big, bold, and above the fold. And always include trust signals like testimonials or social proof. If it's confusing, they're going to go. How can I make my Google ads stand out from competitors? Want your Google ads to grab attention and actually get clicked? Smart marketers don't write generic ads. They craft mini sales pitches. Focus on your unique benefits. What makes you different? Is it 24/7 support? Locally sourced materials? Spell it out. Use emotional language and create a sense of urgency. Most importantly, have a clear call to action like get a free code or book your demo. Test different headlines with responsive search ads to see what clicks best with your audience. What's the best way to budget for Google Ads as a small business? Great question. Setting up a Google Ads budget can feel like a guessing game, right? For small businesses, a good starting point is often 500 to £1,000 per month, depending on your cost per click. But don't just set it and forget it. Smart marketers constantly adjust. Start with manual bidding to get a feel for things. Allocate more budget to campaigns that are already showing good results. Use ad scheduling to bid higher when you know your customers are most active and likely to convert. It's about being strategic, not just spending. Can a small business really manage Google Ads without an expensive agency? Absolutely yes. While agencies may have expertise, the secret sauce isn't exclusive. You can totally manage your Google Ads and get great results. It comes down to learning those agency level strategies, truly understanding your audience, finding high intent keywords, writing killer ad copy, optimizing your landing pages, tracking everything meticulously, and consistently testing. With dedication, you can implement these proven tactics and transform your performance without the hefty price tag.